Hey, quiz fanatic! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of some of the most intriguing and lesser-known animals. From the mysterious narwhal with its unicorn-like tusk to the adorable yet elusive fennec fox, we've got a lineup of creatures that will surprise and amaze you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the unique traits and quirky behaviors of these extraordinary animals. Let's get started. Here is the first animal. Yes, it's meerkats. Meerkats are part of the mongoose family. They are sometimes tamed and kept as house pets to kill rodents. Here is another one for you. Platypus. Early scientists believed the platypus to be a hoax created by sewing the bill of a duck on the body of a mammal. Dung beetle. The dung beetle feeds on balls of manure that it forms with its scooper-like head and paddle-shaped antennae. Cassowary. The peculiar-looking cassowary is widely considered the most dangerous bird on Earth. It has been known to attack humans using the long dagger-like nails on its toes. Lemurs. The ring-tailed lemur lives in Madagascar and is the only lemur species without a solid colored tail. Tapir. Sometimes said to resemble pigs or anteaters, tapirs are actually closely related to rhinos. Kiwi. Although kiwis can't fly, they have small vestigial wings hidden in their plumage. Their eggs are, relative to the size of the bird, the largest of any living species. Shoebill. This large African wading bird gets its name from its clog-shaped bill. Lovebirds. The word lovebirds was used to describe these seemingly affectionate animals for hundreds of years before being applied to romantic human couples. Pangolin. The pangolin tends to curl into a ball when threatened. Its name comes from the Malay word for rolling over. Wombat. Wombats are marsupials that measure about 3 feet in length. The now extinct giant wombat was about 5.5 feet tall at the shoulder and about 10 feet long. Ibex. Often found in the mountains of Europe, Africa and Asia, the ibex uses its specialized hooves to cling to nearly vertical rock faces. Okapi. The okapi is shy, solitary, and elusive. Native to rainforests of the Congo region, the animal was unknown to scientists until 1901. Axolotl. Found only in Mexico City's Lake Xochimilco, axolotls are salamanders that retain their gills past their larval stage. Gharial. Rather than stalking and lunging at prey like other types of crocodiles, the gharial, also known as the gavial, sweeps its long, narrow snout from side to side to catch fish. Otter. Otters hold hands while sleeping to prevent drifting away from each other in the water. Narwhal. Narwhals are known as the unicorns of the sea due to their long, spiral tusks, which are actually elongated teeth. Fennec fox. Fennec foxes have large ears that not only help them hear prey underground but also dissipate heat to keep them cool in the desert. Iguana. Iguanas can detach their tails to escape predators, and the tail can regrow over time. Albatross. Albatrosses can fly for hours without flapping their wings, using dynamic soaring to harness wind currents over the ocean. Clownfish. Clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with sea anemones, gaining protection from their stinging tentacles while keeping the anemone clean. Booby. Boobies are known for their distinctive and comical courtship dances, which involve high-energy, synchronized movements and displays. Red panda. Red pandas use their bushy tails for balance and warmth, and they are primarily solitary, spending most of their time in trees. Puffin. Puffins are excellent swimmers and divers, using their wings to fly underwater as they chase after fish. Aardvarks have long, sticky tongues that can extend up to 12 inches to help them extract ants and termites from their burrows. Capybara. Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world and are highly social animals, often seen in groups that can include up to 20 individuals. Tanuki. Tanukis, also known as Japanese raccoon dogs, are famous in folklore for their shape-shifting abilities and playful, mischievous nature. Echidna. Echidnas are one of the few egg-laying mammals and use their spines as protection while digging for insects with their long, sticky tongues. Chinchilla. Chinchillas have the densest fur of any land animal, with up to 60,000 hairs per square centimeter, which helps them stay warm in their native Andean habitats. Wallaby. Wallabies are smaller relatives of kangaroos and use their strong hind legs to travel long distances and navigate the rugged Australian terrain. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs have a muscle that runs the length of their body just under the skin. When in danger, they can contract the muscle like a drawstring, which allows them to roll up into a defensive position. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs took on forms roughly similar to the way they look today all the way back during the Jurassic period. They are often referred to as living fossils. King cobra. Ermine. The winter pelts of Ermines are prized for their fineness and purity of color. In England, the wearing of ermine was once restricted to members of royalty. Luna moth. The wingspan of the Luna moth can reach up to 4.5 inches across. Adult Luna moths do not have mouths and don't eat. They survive on food they ate as caterpillars, living for only about a week to engage in mating. Frilled lizard. The frilled lizard raises the scaly membrane around its neck to surprise enemies as a defensive maneuver. The frill is often as wide as the lizard is long. Bird of paradise. The tail plumage on some male birds of paradise can grow up to 3 feet long. Sea anemone. Although they are primarily sedentary and resemble flowers, sea anemones are animals. They use the stinging nematocysts on their tentacles to prey on fish and other marine animals. Gila monster. Despite its alarming name, the venomous Gila monster can be quite helpful. Scientists have developed a drug for managing type 2 diabetes based on a protein found in Gila monster saliva. Tamarin. Native to the southwest Amazon basin, the emperor tamarin is believed to be named for German Emperor William II, who also sported impressive facial hair. Impalas. As prey for various carnivores ranging from eagles to lions, the impala has developed into an unparalleled defensive leaper, able to make jumps 10 feet high and 33 feet long. Mandrill. Adult male mandrills have colorful distinct markings on their face as well as on their posterior to appear desirable to their female counterparts. California condor. Like other vultures, the California condor has a naked head and neck to decrease the possibility of scavenged meat getting stuck to the bird while feeding. Chamois. The drying material chamois was originally made of leather sourced from the animal chamois. Serval. Despite topping out at around 40 pounds, servals have the largest ears in the cat family. If humans had the same head-to-ear proportion as servals, human ears would be the size of dinner plates. Katydid. The leaf-like katydid is named for the song it produces, which is said to sound like Katy did, Katy didn't. Wolverine. Also known as skunk bears or gluttons, wolverines are renowned for their ability to fight predators that are nearly twice their size. Proboscis monkey. Only male proboscis monkeys have their namesake pendulous noses, which are thought to serve as an echo chamber to echo their call. Civet. Coffee beans fermented inside and excreted out of civets are used to make a specialty coffee called Kopi Luwak, which sells for hundreds of dollars a pound. Hyrax. Though it may be hard to believe given the vast difference in their size and appearance, the hyrax is one of the closest living relatives to the elephant. We hope you enjoyed learning about these extraordinary animals as much as we did. Leave a comment with which animal you think is the cutest, and make sure to follow us for more fun and interesting quizzes.